Refill my mini fridge with me. Banana milk. Lemon tea. Strawberry roll cake. Milkus. All done. Stock my mini fridge with me.
Life and death and love and birth and peace and war on the planet Earth. Is there anything that's worth more than peace and love on the planet Earth? Whoa, come on and sing it with me.
Sing.
The words relate to the key.
E.
If it's a pattern, just repeat after me. Life and death and love and birth and peace and war.
Racks on me spinning, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. That jet
jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy.
Hey, what's up? It's 616, shawty bad as fuck. With red lipstick, but I'm on the road and I'm never home. Baby, kiss the phone with red lipstick. Like, hey, what's up? It's 616, shawty.
You know what? Go to Tesco's and buy this. Go to Tesco's, buy this. Go to your corner store, buy this. Or buy this. Or buy any of this. Exactly, you can't, that's why.
I've been trying to change the Gooby logo for a little over a year now. The first artist I started working with, he completely wiped out Gooby the bear and he just gave me back a paw that he found like on Google, I think. And I was definitely not satisfied with that. It just made it look like a dog store. Then the second artist I got, he had some really good stuff, but he changed the Gooby face way too much to where he just looked funny and it just didn't look right to me. So now I'm working with another artist and he's giving me some samples back and I really like how these turned out. We're still working on the final details. I'm really excited for you guys to see it. Hopefully it's soon. We're still working.
It's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby.
Mom, I don't know what you're talking about. This is the first time you've ever complained about my cake. I want it out. Go on, pull it. I need room. You need to calm down. You're not taking it from me. Mom, I can't. If I'm already, like, I don't know what you're saying.
This is exclusive. Go, 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 go. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Even if you can't purchase from me, please help share my account by liking, commenting, and copying the link. It means so much.
Is this worth 99p?
Some of my favorite candies. Our biggest candy. Our most popular candy. This one makes me laugh. Our smallest candy.
Eres más de lo que espero. Si estos ojos no te miran, yo me desespero. Si mis manos no te tocan, siento que me muero. Necesito dosis diaria de tu dulce pelo. Llena con tu miel a versos estos labios que te esperan ansiosos de besos. Si tan solo te animaras a verte al espejo, entenderías por qué diablos eres mi universo. Tú, solamente tú. No necesito de nadie, ni puedo dejar de.
Did you know gummy sweets can grow up to 200% in water overnight? Let's try it. ZZZZZZZZ 12 hours later. They are very fragile and squishy. They're like colored glass. So pretty.
Our Planet Gummy restock came in a day early. We are adding these online right after I post this video. A few more cases left. We tried to buy a ton extra this time. They should be listed now.
The Candy Space is the only place on Earth where you can launch your candy into space. If it fits, it flies. Push the launch button at Mission Control to send your treats into space. It's fun for all ages. It's time for liftoff.
3, 2, 1, liftoff. Nice. There goes to the stars.
Don't worry, your candy always makes a safe landing back on Earth. Don't
She wanna sing for me like Whitney. She wanna have my pitney. Don't be silly, don't be silly. I'm out here trying to get this bread in my night tech feet, something like ads me.
You wouldn't know this, but my heart is cold and my home is. Where were you when we could have been homeless? I call her a bitch cause I probably lose focus. You know, get lost in a moment. I could probably end up heartbroken.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my god!
If I cut myself, I would bleed. I'm just like you, you're like me. Imperfect and human are we. Show.
Watermelon, but I hate cutting it. And whenever I cut it, I always try to get all the white pieces off. My sister likes to eat those pieces. I also love when the watermelon is super cold. It just makes it taste so much better. My dog wants to say hi to you guys really quick.